Welcome to the final video in the Heybegin Basics for Managers series. In this one, we're focusing on how to stay on top of everything with notifications, so you never miss an important update, approval, or schedule change. Notifications inbox brings all important updates into one place, so you can manage schedules, requests, and changes without switching views. You'll find the inbox option on the left-hand menu. This is where all your notifications land, things like updated shifts, time off requests, and swaps that need your review. Each item shows you exactly what changed and who made the change. From here, you can approve, reject, or edit directly in the inbox without needing to open the schedule separately. Notification preferences is where you choose what notifications you receive and how they're delivered. To adjust your notification preferences, go to Settings and select Notifications. Here you can choose how you'd like to receive updates, by email or directly in the mobile app. Just go through each option and select what works best for you. Choose the types of activity you want to be notified about, like when a shift is rescheduled or its status changes. Then open My Reminders. Set helpful reminders for things like upcoming shifts or if you forget to clock in or out. Under Team Notifications, pick the positions and locations you want to get updates for. Perfect if you manage multiple teams or sites. Once you've set everything up, your inbox becomes a powerful and personalized tool to help you stay focused and informed. And that's it! Your notification inbox is your command center for quick reviews and real-time updates, keeping your team informed and your operations running smoothly. Thanks for watching the Heybegin Basics series. If you would like to explore any of these features in more depth, just head to our Help Center for detailed guides and tutorials.